So we have concluded our discussion on the three-step process of writing business messages. So just to recap on our discussion on this topic, we discussed that the three-step process of writing business messages includes planning, and we discussed that in planning we needed to analyze a situation, gather information, choosing medium and channels, and getting organized. The second step involves writing, and we discussed adapting to the audience. And in here, we talked about being audience-centered, building connection, and adjusting style and tone. In the second discussion on this second step process, we discussed composing the message, how to choose appropriate words, how to create effective sentences, and how to craft consistent paragraphs. We also touch a bit on writing messages for mobile devices. And in the third step process, we talked about completing the message. So in here we discussed on revisions, producing the message, proofreading the message, and finally distributing the message. So this is the three-step writing process that involves planning, writing, and completing. So this modern business world today is driven by fast-paced communication. I'm very sure you agree with me on this one. So accurate and precise writing has never been more important as well. It's emphasized by organizations, by leaders of organizations. So when composing any form of business writing, it is crucial to understand the three-step writing process. Yeah, taking the time to learn how to properly plan, write, and complete each piece of business writing you compose, it can actually drastically improve your writing skills. Okay, so in addition, it can also prepare you for any future business writing. This three-step process of business writing is important, particularly if you are in a position to write business letters that goes out to the public, go out to your clients. Yeah, so this has to do with projecting the image of the organization, like we mentioned in our discussion. Yeah, so okay, so thank you for staying with me throughout this chapter.